Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. Missu Beauty sent me their new collection, which is called the Miss Kaycie Collection, and also they sent me a base gel, a nail strengthener, and a top gel. In this video I'm first gonna swatch every color they sent me. As you can see, this collection is perfect for spring. It includes a lot of pink tones and purple tones, and it also has two glitter polishes, well, gel polishes, and I love those. They are so pretty. So of all the swatches you can see, I added at least 3 coats. I just wanted to show you how it looks like depending on how many coats you add. So here we have 1 coat, which is a very sheer but still very pretty color. And if you want to have it a little bit more opaque, this is how it looks like with 2 coats. And if you'd like to have it even more opaque, then this is how it looks like with 3 coats. And lastly, here you can see 4 coats. So it really depends on which look you are going for. If you are interested in any of those shades, I'm gonna link the collection in the info box below. And Missu Beauty has a coupon code for all my viewers, which is KIRA10, which gives you a 10% discount. It doesn't apply to workshop and charms and some sale items, but you will see if you put the product in your cart. Anyways, I challenge myself to use every single product they sent me in one design because I feel like the colors go so well with each other that this is totally doable. So let's see what I can come up with. The first product I'm using is the base coat, and after curing it, I'm adding a layer of the nail strengthener, which also needs to be cured. I'm removing the tacky layer here because I feel like it's easier to work with. Next, I'm taking a very thin striping brush and I'm basically outlining a design. I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but it consists of lines and curves, and in the end we have this boho inspired nail design. Here's a little tip: cure your nails for a few seconds, like about 5 seconds after each step you're happy with, so in case you mess up, you can remove your mistake without losing any progress. I just started to draw this design without having an exact plan on what it will look like, but I'm a huge fan of Mana nails and this has definitely some of her vibes, so yeah, I just wanted to give credit to that. By the way, I have a cold, so I'm sorry for my voice, which is a little bit different than usual. So let's move on to the fun part, which is using all the colors they sent me and adding them on top of the white design I created. You can see the name of the gel polish I'm using on the left side of the screen. This design is done, so let's seal it in with the Missu Beauty top gel. There's one product left which I haven't used yet, so I'm gonna add it on the whole nail to balance out all the colorfulness of the other design. Depending on how opaque you like it, add 2 or 3 coats. I personally went for 3. And lastly, let's seal it in with the top gel. This is a no wipe top gel, so you don't need to wipe any sticky layer. Here is the finished design and I hope you like it. First, I had some different ideas on how to incorporate all the colors in one design, and I had to redo the design many times because it just didn't look good. So I'm pretty happy with the results. If you are too, please make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe. And if you are interested in any of those products, please check them out in the info box below. And don't forget to use my coupon code KIRA10 if you'd like to purchase something. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you Missu Beauty for sending me those awesome products, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!